Say hi. This is a brief video of our trip to Brazos Bend State Park. We did a lot of stuff. That's fires, marshmallows. Kelly also cooked bacon and pancakes. It was great. We went for a hike on a trail or two. There were tons of ant piles everywhere, and Kelly just kind of likes to mess with them a little bit. Brazos Bend is known for their alligators. It's not really safe to swim in the water because there really are quite a bit of them. He's big. There's great wildlife. It was just a great, relaxing trip.
Oh, that was good.
We also made a cake mix with blackberry pie filling. And we put it in a Dutch oven to bake the cake. He dripped in the blackberry pie filling. Then he covered the lid with more hot coals to help bake it. And there it was.
Yeah, that's done.
All done?
I think so.
It was actually pretty good.
Caramelizing. Nice. It's like a blackberry topping right there. Huh.
I have to say, of all the camping I've done, this so far has been my most relaxing, enjoyable trip. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you like our videos. If you do, you can see here we have a suggested playlist and videos for you if you want to keep watching. Thank you. Bye, y'all.